Psoriasis Revolution is an exhaustively researched, tested, and natural treatment guide for beating psoriasis. This 7-step program for beating psoriasis has been assembled by Dan Crawford, who has an extensive background in medical research, nutrition, health consultation, as well as a history of psoriasis that he's successfully overcome. Click the link in the description below this video for details. The major topics that receive extensive coverage in the Psoriasis Revolution program include the following. 1. An illustrated, clearly explained 7-step program for beating psoriasis that's been effective for thousands of psoriasis sufferers so far. 2. A list detailing 10 foods you must avoid to improve your psoriasis. 3. Another list that will provide you with 10 excellent foods that can help you take control of your condition. 4. An extended discussion on the subject of psoriasis that covers all its major symptoms and investigates its root causes. 5. Directions for using 3 cheap, easy-to-come-by ingredients that can be transformed into powerful anti-psoriasis weapons. 6. A guide to handling what Crawford calls emotional psoriasis. 7. The revelation of a simple psoriasis treatment that's rarely exposed to individuals outside the field of professional skincare. 8. A cautionary statement that shows how one common psoriasis treatment depresses the immune system and puts you at serious risk. 9. An explanation of how certain psoriasis medications can actually exacerbate your condition and cause serious complications. 10. A full list of supplements that help treat psoriasis. 11. A pair of breathing exercises that can improve healing abilities and encourage your body to regulate its hormones more effectively. Besides all of this useful information crammed into the program's primary guide, Dan Crawford also provides his customers with several bonus items. 1. A comprehensive guide to naturopathic cures. 2. A report from an expert hygienist that incorporates all the latest medical education to help you correct faulty health habits. 3. A useful guide on the healing power of water. 4. Another guide on how to take charge of your lifestyle and minimize stress. 5. Access to fresh updates regarding new research, new tests, and all the improvements Dan Crawford introduces to Psoriasis Revolution in the future. 6. Direct access to Dan Crawford for one-on-one guidance through email. For 3 months, you'll be able to ask any questions you want and receive all of the guidance you need to ensure you get the most out of the Psoriasis Revolution program. The main guide included in the Psoriasis Revolution system presents an easy-to-follow instruction manual to effectively treating your psoriasis symptoms. Click the link in the description below this video for details.